Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Hagasngi ublay jong katayo beladep, kakat terik ujemang, ka Lions Club Shillong ka Pynlong ka program ka Bakirpang, Halor ka pang ka bayday bat ka Hemophilia, hapo Lion Vision Center, Laban Last Stop, hakabaw MLA ka Shillong South Constituency, uba Sanbor Shulay lolong kongsan. Kani ka Hemophilia Cam, kalong shibenta ban rakhe ya ka Hemophilia Awareness Day, ban ajing bencash kipat ba, bakin tip kin bana shapang ka Hemophilia, kabaday ka Jingpang, kaba omla ban set ikasnam, sisien bala play na ka Jingmong, hakamet ubreo. Kum na ka Jingman sao, na ka Jinghay on, lanye na kiway ki Jingja. Kadaw kalong bakasnam, kamla ban lang tili, sisien bakala play, bat kidon ar benta hakani, kata ka Jingtuna haka clotting factor 8, bat ka Jingtuna haka clotting factor 9. Ha ka jokapor kalong ru shibenta banwat kilat kilenti banyada na kani ka Jingpang bat ru banyarap ikitu kibadon ya ka Jingpang ka behar peteng la ban kado baya kani ka sngi las dang ningkong house nam kat kandai spa prop kandai kum kadak jong ka Jingpun ko burom Frank Schnabel unong sang ya ka World Federation of Hemophilia kiwede kibalai don lang ha kani ka sngi kintop yo Dr. Damodar Das Hematology GMC Guwahati Usri Mukesh Garodia Hemophilia Federation of India Ulayan President Biman Talukdar, Ulayan Gagan Diora, but Ulayan Manmeet Singh Ranhotra.
In one way, from the other point of view, we must appreciate this pressure group. When I compare in my experience, in my social and political experience, compared to the service rendered by the civil hospital in Guwahati, we will not talk about what is happening in every part of India. Just only in Guwahati and in civil hospital here in Shillong. Compare, we are far better because due to the pressure group, the intervention of the pressure group. Those genuine pressure group, not those minting pressure group. There are various kind of NGOs, money minting NGOs. The genuine pressure group really works for the welfare of the people, who really fought for the right and justice of the people of India. So compare in Guwahati, we must have seen in the TV, I think Uttar Pradesh a few months ago. There are mortuary vans, ambulance in each and every government hospital, meaning that to carry the dead body of the bereaved family or to carry the patient from one place to another place. But very sad to say that also under corrupt practice they have to pay money. And for the poor people, those who cannot afford to give to those dalal, it happened that he have to carry the dead body of his wife in his head and to ferry it to his respective place for 10, 15, 20 kilometers. This is happening in every part of India. Congratulate the noble task initiated by the Lions Club, regularly organizing various kind of programs which will benefit the general public, especially the poor and the downtrodden. The time has come that we have to collectively fight how to eradicate corruption.